What's happening, guys? My name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new Vegas 16 tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to make an awesome outro. So yesterday's video was all about how to make an awesome intro. And I also promised that I'm going to give away 2 coupon codes for the website I got my intro from. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my phone and I'm going to go to the video of yesterday, and I'm going to right now reveal the winners that won this code. Now I want to mention already, for the people that didn't win, make sure to stay tuned because another Vegas 16 giveaway is coming up very soon, so make sure to stay tuned. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and scroll to the comment that won, actually, well, both comments that won. Okay, so the first winner is I am Kian, and I know it's in Dutch, guys, but I'll read it, you know, for you guys in English. I'm participating because I'm not able to create nice intros myself. I'm very good at making vlogs because of your videos. So that's the first winner. I will hit you up privately to send you the coupon code and optionally, you know, help you out with the checkout and everything. So congratulations to you. I'm gonna move on to the second winner that won a coupon code for the intro. And the second winner is Jennifer Bronson, and she says, I want to win because my boyfriend is going to start a YouTube channel. He is a software engineer, but I want to impress him with an awesome intro for his videos. Also, side note, thank you for making the Vegas Pro videos. Without you, I would be completely lost on how to do anything with that editing program. So congratulations to both of you. I will hit you up, get it all sorted out. But with that all of the way, guys, let's go ahead and start making an awesome outro. So let's go ahead and do that, and I will catch you guys, obviously, right after the intro. Alright guys, now that we are in Vegas Pro 16, we're gonna recreate the intro that I'm currently using. To get started, we actually need like some text overlays and everything like that, so we're gonna do that in Photoshop. Now, I want to mention that this template will be available in the description. You can find the download link there, so you can download it, open it up in Photoshop, and then you can just follow along. Okay, so once you open up this template, what you need to do is basically install the fonts that I'm including into the folder. So the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and change things up. So right here it says your name. What we're gonna do is you can type in your name, but I'm just gonna type in I'm gonna load in my logo for that one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and mute this track so it's gone, and I'm gonna drag in my logo. Okay, here it is, but it's a little bit too big. So what we're gonna do is we're going to place this on top of everything. So I'm gonna drag this guy all the way to the top, and then I'm gonna press Ctrl-T, and I'm gonna hold left shift so it stays in the same resolution, and then I'm going to go ahead and make it smaller, and I'm going to put this guy on the top. So I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, and then what we need to do is we need to make sure that we will center this. So I'm going to place it right there, and then I'm going to press Ctrl-A, so it's going to select everything. Go to Layer, take this guy, I know it's in Dutch, guys, but you want to, you know, make sure that you will center it horizontal. So now that everything is centered, what we can do next is we can go ahead and change these things up at the bottom. So my Twitter, I'm going to change that up to @AlexHalford, obviously. It's a little bit too big. We'll just resize that in a second. Also on Instagram, it is the same, @AlexHalford. I know it's a little bit too big. Twitch is JustAlexHalford, and Facebook is also JustAlexHalford.
I see the fear inside your eyes. I see the pain in your smile. I can finally see you now.
Okay, now that we finished doing that, just making these text fit a little bit more, what we can also do is we can just go ahead and transport this to PNG. So we're going to remove the black background like that, uncheck it, and then it is going to be transparent, and then we can go ahead and drag that into Vegas. So we're going to click on File, save as, and we're gonna save this as PNG. Okay, so now that we're done in Photoshop, this is basically the image I dragged into Vegas, and what I also did is I just dragged in some drone footage of like New York or basically any city that you like, so I'm gonna also import these. I'm not gonna import the exact same ones, but just one that looks similar. So this is what it looks like. So that looks very, very neat, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my intro about, I think, maybe 18 seconds long. So it's gonna be this long, 18 seconds. Then we're gonna also cut it. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna shorten this, and we're gonna make that one slow motion. So I'm gonna shorten it while it stays on the same frame like that, and I'm gonna hold left control. I'm gonna drag this guy to the right, so as you can see, it is now slow motion. That looks really, really nice. Right click, properties, uncheck maintain aspect ratio, and disable the resample. The only thing we need to do now is go to video effects, go to the Gaussian blur, which is right here, and pick the light blur, drag it on there, and that's how I did it. So the only thing we need to do now is add in the particles that's flying up. Everything is included in the folder in the description, guys, don't worry. That one is just called particles flying up. So I'm gonna go ahead and import that one, and I'm going to first right click, properties, uncheck maintain aspect ratio, disable the resample. We're going to also go to the video effects tab, go to brightness and contrast, drag in the default one, and we're gonna add in a little bit more contrast so it looks black like that. Then we're gonna press U on our keyboard so we will be able to delete the audio, and then we're gonna insert a new video track, and then we're gonna place the particles in between there. So it looks like that, but now the city footage is not visible. Go to the compositing mode of the particles track, put that one to screen, and as you can see, guys, right now the particles are flying up. This is how I created my outro. It is very, very cool. Everything is listed in the description, from the Photoshop template to the particles flying up to the fonts you need in order to edit this. So guys, that's how to create an awesome outro. I hope this video was helpful to you, and that is it. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for the continued support. I will see you guys obviously in a brand new episode tomorrow of reacting to subscriber videos or channel reviews, how you want to call that. So I'm super excited to review some more channels tomorrow. Is your channel gonna be up next? Find out tomorrow, so I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video.